Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to Cobol, where we will learn how we can fetch the information related to system date and system time using except keyword. If you have watched the previous session, then in that session we discussed the way through which we were fetching the user input or we were receiving the user input using except keyword from console. But as I mentioned earlier also that there are multiple use case of this except keyword. Through this except keyword we can fetch information from user as well as from system defined values. So this session is just in the continuation of the last session where we are just focusing on except keyword and we'll see how we can use except keyword in order to get the information related to system date and system time. Clear? So now we are going to start in the same manner like there I have already created one program here which is test pgm1, so I'm going to utilize the same program for the demo purpose. But before we start the discussion, I just would like to recommend you, like if you have not watched the previously published sessions, then firstly you can watch those sessions because these all sessions are in proper sequence. So if you follow the sequence, then it would be really great for you to understand the ongoing topic. Because basic thing we have already covered, like what is division, why we are using division, how to position the things. So these all things are already covered. Okay. So for time being, we are just focusing on the except keyword, and even in except keyword, we will just focus on the system date and system time fetching. Okay. So yeah, I think now we are good to start with the program. So I'll take option 2 over here for the edit mode. Now here you can see we have firstly declared the identification division block. In this identification division block, we are showcasing two information, which is program ID denoting the program name. So you can see test pgm1 is a program name, and author, which is denoting the author name. So this is author name. So these two informations are coming from identification division block. After that, we have declared three comment line. So each comment line is initiated with asterisk because this is the only way to declare the comment. So for declaring the any type of comment, you are supposed to put asterisk on 7th position, exactly at 7th position. Okay. So count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So on 7th position when you put asterisk, it will be considered as a commented line. Okay. Mainly I use this comment line to show you the topic name of today's session, which is accepting system date and time. Okay, fine. Then we have data division block. What is data division block? In data division block, we put working storage section, and there we will declare all the variable that we are going to utilize for the program throughout the program. Right now for this demo we just need two variables, so that's why I have declared only two variable here, which is system date and system time. But in your example or maybe in project there might be some other variables as well, so all those variables will come under the same working storage section, so don't get confused. You can declare those variable as well. Okay, but for now we are just needing one these two variables, so I just declared the same. Now in data division block you can see working storage section is there. Let's see how we are declaring the variable. So to declare the variable, I'm just simply passing firstly the level number, which is 01, and level number is denoting the higher data hierarchy. Level number 01 is denoting the higher data hierarchy. Then we have variable name or data name. What it means? Whenever you want to assign or refer this variable throughout the program, you will use this variable name or data name. Clear? So here I'm using system date. Then we have PIC x of 8. What it will do? It will here, like PIC is denoting the picture clause and x of 8 is denoting alphanumeric 8. Okay. So that means like line number 12 after using line number 12, we are declaring a variable system date which can hold up to 8 alphanumeric characters. In the same manner, we are declaring another variable. So for that, we are specifying the level number as 01. Data name or variable name is system time. PIC is picture clause, and X of 8 is alphanumeric 8 characters. So what this line is indicating, it is indicating that we have declared one variable with the name system time which can hold up to 8 characters value. Clear? Now we are ready with both the variables, so it's time to write the main logic. So main logic always comes under procedure division. So for that I just initiated the procedure division, and here I am using the except keyword to fetch the system date. So on line number 7 we are using except system date. Don't get confused, this is not a keyword, this is a variable we just declared, right? So don't get confused here. We are just accepting it where system date, in system date, from date YYYY MMDT. So this is the format, okay? So for date we will pass the format. So here we are accepting the system date from date in this format. Afterwards, what we are doing, we are displaying the actual date which we have received from accept keyword. So display system date, and this is the variable. So the thing which we write is inside this quotation is just a normal text, and the variable is this, okay? Then we are using accept keyword to receive the system time. So accept system time from time, and it will provide you the output which is display system time. So whatever output you have received from this uh, from this accept keyword or from the line number 21 will be displayed through display command. So display system time variable, and then we are doing stop run for terminating the program. Clear? So this is the entire program through which we can easily fetch system date as well as system time. In order to fetch these values, we can simply use accept keyword. So it's time to compile the program. So after I compile, you will see the output. So I just compiled the program, and now we are going to call it. So for call the program, you can use simply C here, or you can directly write on command line call test pm1. So hitting enter here. So system date is this, and after pressing enter you will find the system time. Okay, now some of you might be thinking, like, why is it possible to change the format of the received data by changing the format here? No, it is not. Like if you try to receive YYMMDD here, then it will not give you the correct output. Okay, so like in order, then how we can manipulate this date? Okay, like if you want to fetch in MMDD YY format or YYMMDD format, so in that case what you can do, you can simply firstly fetch the information like this only, and then you can rearrange it in using move keyword. But that is not today's topic. Like we will discuss this thing as well in the upcoming session when we are going to discuss about the time, date and time format in Cobol. But for now we are just focusing like how we can fetch the system date and time. Okay, but I have shared the short trick with you, like if you want to really fetch the value in DDMMY format, so just a hint, like you can receive this value, and then using move you can select the positions according to your need, right? Like firstly we can select these two, then and then YY. So by doing this, maybe we can customize the date and time for our requirement. Okay, and I like there are other methods also through which we can fetch date and time, and through which we can manipulate date and time, that we will discuss in the upcoming sessions. But for now we just discuss like the way through which we can use accept keyword in order to fetch system date and time. So I hope today's session is clear to all of you, and in the next session maybe we will discuss another topic related to accept itself. So if you have any doubt, you can simply ask your question in the chat, and also please do share your feedback so that we can work accordingly. So yeah, that's all for today. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.